Okay, we're gonna be doing the transformation on this young brother. He has curly hair. Um, we're gonna be doing a temp fade. We're gonna take about um, 2 inches off the top. Um, we're gonna leave a natural hairline, and we're gonna be doing a temp fade on him. So it's gonna be a total transformation. He hasn't had a haircut since COVID's, and you'll get an opportunity to see how to transform this kind of hair, this different texture of hair, into a modern tint fade. And so I'm going to do one side in great detail, and whatever I do on one side, I want you to repeat on the other side. Again, this will be a tint fade, so we're going to be fading both sides in the front and in the back, and we're going to be doing some scissor work on the top. So let's start.
'Cause I'm about to take you to school.
As we go a little something like this. Hit it!
Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Old school to new school, the same old rules.
So we're going to start here with the masters, and what I'm doing is I'm coming down with the half blade, the half clip, right? And and we're gonna be going from the largest to the smallest clip, and basically we're taking this weight off him so that we can get to the height that we want. And once we get to the height that we want, we'll begin to blend. So right now I got the half clip on there. From there I'm gonna go to the 3/8. From the 3/8 I'm going to the 1/4, and 1/4. At that point, we should be in a position to start blending. Now I'm going to repeat the process, but now I'm going against the grain. So I'm taking that same half clip, and I'm going up now, and I'm still trying to get the height that I want that's going to be on the sides before I start the blend. So I'm going to go from the half clip to the 3/8 to the 1/4, and I'm just trying to get the height that I want on the side of the hair, so I can start doing the temp fade. Right now I got the scissors, and what I'm doing is I'm pulling out that long hair that's on the top. I'm stretching it out and clipping it so that it could blend into the hair, to the rest of the hair that's on the side. I'm blending that, I'm taking that bulk off so that it'll blend from the sides to the top. So now that I established the height that I want on the side, we're gonna begin doing the temp fade. So we're going to the first notch. You know, with 5 notches on there, and we're going to the very last notch, number 1 notch, in order to get the guideline. So I got a guideline on the side, and I got a guideline on the back. Right, so once I get that guideline, I go from I'm blending the temp fade in. So I'm going from the 3/8. I'm going from the 1.5 to the 3/8 to the 1/4 to the 1/8 to the 1/16. And once I do that, I'm going to begin working down from the 5th notch down to the number 1 notch on that blend. Yeah, so right now I have the Babbler's Pro liners. I'm creating a line right there in the back. We're gonna leave the front natural, but we're gonna put a little line in the back, a little definition in the back, and but the front will remain natural, natural hairline. Okay, as you can see, that's a good shot of what was done there on the left hand side, my left hand. So I'm going to continue the same process in the back. I'm going to take that same process on to the right hand side, and what you see I done there on the left hand side, I want you to repeat the same thing on both the back and the right hand side of the hair. So yeah, I'm doing a little more work on this side. This was the side where the hair was a little heavier on. You can see that that was the heavier part of the hair, where most of the hair was flipped over to. So I'm doing a little more work on that, making sure that's blended properly, making sure that the temp look balanced on both sides. And so what you see me doing now is just a little more work. It needed a little more work in order for that side to look balanced with that side, because most of the hair was flipped on to that area of the haircut. Okay, now that I completed the sides, the back and the right hand side, I'm going to be moving on to the top of the hair, which I'm going to complete with the scissors. And in order to do this, I'm gonna use the sides of the length on the sides as a guide to blend that top into the sides of the hair. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm grabbing the top of the hair and I'm blending it into the length of the sides of the hair. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning up a little bit, going over some areas, making sure that it blend around pretty, everything just smooth. So we're gonna add a little sheen. I'm gonna do a little comb out. Get some of the wild hair that you see standing up with the scissors. Do some cleaning up. Any hair on his neck or whatever. You can obviously see some of the strands sticking up. So I'm gonna get those. I'm gonna address those right now. My first effort is to see if the sheen will comb it down. If it doesn't, I'll go ahead and clip that so that he have a finished look. So we're getting those wild ends, just clipping them right on off and making sure that it blends smoothly. So yeah, so I'm using a Barber, cleaning up any hair on his neck, making sure that the line in the back is sharp. There you go. We have a line in the back, natural hairline in the front, Temp fade on straight hair, another fine haircut. There you go.